Mess with any gamer by taking their headset. Remove the padding on one side and cover the speaker with a piece of tape. Put it back and this will annoy them all day. Follow me for more pranks. You can pull off this prank on your mom. To prepare this, add some Kool-Aid powder and water into a trash bin. Tape the end of a garbage bag to one side and then place it on normally, and this will happen when the trash bin is full. Everyone at home will fall for this prank. To set this up, take an empty juice carton and fill it with a few inches of water. Lay it down and make a cut on the bottom. Lastly, position it like this inside the fridge. Follow me for more. Yeah, M&M's and hot sauce is not a good mix. To set this up, empty out a box of M&M's, take an empty glue stick and fill it with hot sauce. Hide it inside the box and cover it with M&M's. In the comments, tag someone you know who loves M&M's. To set this up, take a detergent bottle, preferably one with a non-see-through cap, wrap the side of the funnel with tape, put the cap on, flip it upside down for a couple seconds and then right side up again. For more pranks, follow me.
Hey, next, I got the pigskin here. It sure ain't booby trap.
Prank those who still have Super Bowl fever. Tape a packet of ketchup to a football, make a slit on it, and just throw it at someone. In the comments, tag someone you would do this prank on. Prank those who still have Super Bowl fever. Fill up a cup with soda, rest a football on top, and just tape one side, the side they won't see when they take the football. Follow me for more. To prank your significant other on Valentine's Day, take a heart-shaped box and cut out the bottom. Add their favorite candy inside, close it, and they'll be happy when they open it. But then this happens.
So they're gonna pick up the cup. Oh no!
Check it out, guys. You can actually set up this explosive cup prank next time someone asks you to get them a drink. They'll never see it coming. Follow me if you want to learn more ways to set up booby traps. Here I have some Mike and Ike and hot tamales. These are similar in size and shape, except hot tamales are all red. Not only that, but these are also spicy and are not for everyone, so we'll add some to Mike and Ike and no one will know until it's too late. Follow me for more pranks. Alright fellas, for Valentine's Day, get a squirting rose gag toy from Amazon along with some fake flowers. Rig it up with the pump being on the bottom. When you get your lady to smell it, that's when you get her. Follow me for more. Gotta love it when Halloween and Valentine's come together. With a fake severed hand, you can give your girl or dude a big scare. Follow me for more pranks. Let's open up a bag of chips from the bottom, empty it and stuff it with a few pieces of toilet paper. I had these left over from a previous prank. Now spray it with liquid ass. Close the bag with clear tape and whoever opens this will be in for a stinky surprise. What? This is a classic roommate prank. Before bed, take their styling gel and freeze it overnight. In the morning, put it back and they'll be furious when they want to use it. For more pranks, follow me. Mess with someone in the bathroom by taking the toilet paper, unroll it and apply some glue on it. Now roll it back up and return it where it goes. I'd be pretty mad. Follow me for more pranks. This right here is a Burger King cup. Now imagine if you lifted it up and this happened. Take a bottle that's non-see-through, such as this milk bottle, and cut off the bottom. Insert a balloon through the top and fill it with water. The cap will hold everything shut till it's opened. This will get someone wet. Follow me for more pranks. Dump out everything from a Pringles can, insert an empty paper towel roll and cover it with a little stack of Pringles. Close it and watch the disappointed faces when they find out it's empty. Follow me for more pranks. Someone is bound to fall for this prank eventually. Just tape an egg on the wall directly behind the doorknob. Follow me for more pranks. To pull off this prank on April Fool's Day, take a packet of hot sauce and replace its contents with any liquid you want. Tape it behind a roll of toilet paper and that's it. Follow me for more prank ideas. This prank is pure evil. Take someone's mechanical pencil and remove the eraser. Replace that with the flat end of a crayon. Here I've matched the color, so when they make a mistake, this happens. Follow me for more pranks. To pull off this disgusting prank, take a juice pouch and with a syringe extract all its contents from the bottom. We'll be replacing those with the nastiest liquid possible, clam juice. And just like that, we cover up the opening with clear tape. Whoever grabs this pouch will be in for a really gross surprise. For more pranks, don't forget to follow me. You wanna set up this prank? Well, it's simple. Crack open a soda can with clear tape, join it with another unopened can, and tell someone you left them a drink next to yours. Follow me for more.